Please tell him if you can.
Maybe you do something new, but all you do is computers. You don't need to drop his pants.
Thanks, Joe. You told her like
All I got to say to you.
Talking about what you mean be different? Hey man, I got soul. You can't kill a man with soul. We're just friends, man. If you ever need some else, give me a call.